It's summertime, and to beat the heat, we all need those refreshing drinks. And I have got to you three drinks which are sure to be your go to this summer season. Starting with the king of fruits, which is mango. We all love mango, and what better than having a nice, refreshing mango drink? Cut the mango into pieces, extract the fruit, and add it into a glass. After we've added the mango pieces, we're going to add rock salt, which gives the perfect blend of flavors. Squeeze in a lime into it along with some fresh mint leaves. So the combination of these three ingredients just add the perfect taste to your drink. After it's done, we're going to nicely muddle this. So muddle it really well because you want a nice pulp out of it, like you're watching. Once your pulp is ready, we're going to take a glass and add ice cubes into the glass. Once your ice cubes are added, add the nice thick pulp into it along with some sugar. So sugar is optional, but if you like your drink to be sweet, just add in sugar and top it up with a lot of soda. That's about it. Your first refreshing summer drink is ready to go. Stir it really well, enjoy it, and I bet you're going to love it. Next up, we have a very interesting combination, which is Watermelon Pomegranate Cooler. Trust me, once you try making this drink, you're sure to make it on repeat mode. So ingredient number one, we're going to take a coconut and extract all the malai out of it. Ingredient number two is pomegranate. So take that, we're going to nicely take out all the pomegranate out of it, and we're going to blend this into a mixer and make a juice out of it. So once that's done, the third ingredient is watermelon, which acts as the best coolant and a fruit for the summer season. So take a watermelon, cut it into two halves. Once that's done, slowly we're going to scoop out the fruit out of it. So with the help of a knife or spoon, like you're watching, we're just going to entirely extract the fruit from the watermelon. So the reason why we're doing it is because we are making a refreshing drink into this watermelon, because the presentation is absolutely fancy, and what better than enjoying it right from the fruit. So like you're watching, I've scooped out the entire watermelon from it because I'm going to pour my drink into this. Once it's done, we're going to nicely make the juice out of this watermelon. And like you're watching, the juice is ready. Now it's just the assembly part. So ice is optional. I didn't want to pour ice into this. So you add the pomegranate juice followed by the watermelon juice, and lastly you add the malai, which adds so much of refreshing flavor to this drink. And there you go. Doesn't the presentation look interesting? I bet once you have a sip into this, you're surely gonna make it again and again. It's refreshing and just right to beat the heat. The last summer cooler is this orange iced tea, which I bet once you try it, you're going to make it again and again, because the flavor of tea and orange just adds the best combination into this drink. So like you're watching, we're going to cut the orange, and after that we're going to extract the entire pulp from it. So with the help of a spoon, just keep scooping out little by little till the entire fruit is out. And once it's done, we're going to take a pan, add the entire pulp into it along with water. Now we're going to heat this on slow flame for just 3-4 minutes. Don't heat it for a lot of time because the orange entire juice will get a little bitter. So keep stirring it not more than 3-4 minutes on slow flame. And once you think it's ready, we're just going to keep it aside till it slightly cools down. Now in the orange skin, we're just going to pierce some holes into it. It's a very interesting and unique way of making an orange iced tea. So like you're watching, I'm going to make holes. You can use a toothpick or you can use a stirrer or any pointy object and make a hole entirely inside the orange skin. Take a glass, pour some ice, place the orange skin on it. Now I'm going to add tea leaves into it. You can add any kind and variant of tea leaves. Pour the orange pulp that we just made, and like you're watching, we're nicely going to stir it. So the flavor of the pulp and the tea just blends together and seeps into the glass. Just look at that color. It's the perfect blend of flavor and you are going to love this. Stir it, and that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this video. You should follow me for more such videos, and also follow me on Instagram at the handle Chief Foodie Officer.